How to change the transmission fluid in your 2018 Jeep Compass with the 2.4-litre engine. First three things you will need to locate is your check plug, fill plug, and drain plug. To do so, we will remove the driver's side wheel. Okay, with the wheel out of the way, we can see the transmission fill plug. This is located on the back side of the transmission. You will need an H6-bit socket to remove. I highly recommend removing the fill plug first, because if you drain the transmission fluid first and have problems removing this plug later, then you won't be able to refill your transmission. With the check plug out, we can now drain our transmission fluid. Located under your vehicle on the driver's side, you will see a plug on the bottom of the transmission that the mechanic points at here. This is your transmission drain plug and will take a hex 8 to remove. Be sure to have a drain pan ready to catch the old fluid. With the fluid down to a drip, clean off the surface and reinstall the drain plug. The drain plug will torque to 26 foot-pounds or 312 inch-pounds. We will now remove the transmission check plug. This is located on the driver's side of the transmission, just behind the driver's side axle, as shown here. Using a ratchet, extension, and hex 8 socket, remove the check plug. Now you will need two things to add your transmission fluid. One, you will need Mopar's 8 to 9 speed transmission fluid. This can be purchased at a Dodge, Jeep and Ram dealership, or you can get it off Amazon in the listed links below. Second, you will need a transfer pump like this one to transfer the fluid from your bottles into the transmission. Lastly, be sure to have a drain pan ready. With the output end of the pump inserted in your fill plug hole, start transferring the transmission fluid from the bottles to your transmission. These transmissions typically hold around 4 quarts to fill them up on a fluid change, and around 7.5 if they are completely dry. I bought 5 quarts to do this fluid change job just to be safe. After 3.5 quarts, we now have transmission fluid flowing from the check plug hole. We will now start the vehicle and add more. Be sure that the vehicle is level and in park while checking the transmission fluid. Start adding more of the 8 to 9 speed transmission fluid until it is seen coming from the check plug again. After about 3/4 of a quart, you can see that we have transmission fluid flowing from the check plug. You will want this flow of fluid to be down to a trickle before inserting the check plug back into place. Once ready, you can insert the check plug and torque it to 17 foot-pounds. Next, reinsert your fill plug and torque it to 17 foot-pounds as well. Clean off any debris or transmission fluid from the bottom of the transmission. Now we will want to put the wheel back on and go for a test drive. You will want to get the transmission up to operating temperature before checking again. This is typically between 158 degrees Fahrenheit and 176 degrees Fahrenheit. To pull up your transmission temperature, use the left navigation pad on your steering wheel, click left or right to navigate through your vehicle settings until you find the transmission temperature. Once you get the vehicle up to operating temperature, recheck the fluid level while the vehicle is running. Level and in park again. Once done, you are good to go. I hope this video helps you guys. Please give us a like and subscribe.